Welcome back, class. This is part 2 of the vocabulary videos. Last, we spoke about natural resources, and I was thinking of a non-example of natural resources, but I couldn't come up with one because it seems like really anything can become a natural resource and something that we can use for economic gain. I guess you could say that things that aren't natural resources are private property because you know, we could use our private property, but that's not something someone else is entitled to. So I'm going to add private property. And then I'm going to go to my next word, which is factors of production. And that's the land, the labor, and the capital that's used to make money. And these are also what you use or are needed to produce goods and services. So I'm going to go ahead and insert an image and I'm going to search for factors of production. See what comes up. Oh, this is all very complicated stuff. Maybe when something looks like this, I add clip art. Because that's just a picture, it's simple. And I like this guy. I'm gonna add that guy. Oh, I can't use it. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna add this other guy. Or actually, I'm gonna add this guy, not that guy. Because he's a laborer. And he has natural resources with him. An example of land, labor, or capital is, for example, if you are working in a maquiladora, for example, or a sweatshop where the product or the good is t-shirts, what I need is a person to operate the machinery. Those are laborers. So for example, I'm gonna write people to operate machinery, which could be workers, right? I need workers. Those are laborers. We just had Labor Day. And a non-example of this would be the CEO. He's not part of the land, labor, or capital. His money is, but not him. Then I'm going to go to my sixth word here, which is factory. And factory is a building where goods are made. It's pretty simple. I'm going to search it up. Factory. And I'm going to put clip art just to see what it gives me. You guys can do something different. Oh, I like this one. And I'm going to make it smaller and add it. And for my example, I'm going to add the Forever 21 sweatshops that make the clothing that I used to wear when I was 21. There's also factories that make GM parts for cars, or it's actually called OEM. And a non-example of a factory is super simple. A farm, right? Farms don't have machinery. I mean, there are machineries. You have a tractor, but for the most part, it's manual work. And then I'm going to go to my, I think this is my 7th word, which is goods. And those are the items purchased to satisfy the needs and wants of people. And I'm going to insert an image of goods. Give me the goods. And an example of goods could be literally anything you can find at a grocery store. Because that's where we go to spend our money, right? And that's where people go to make money. If you invent something that could turn into a good, you want to get as much profit as you can from it. So, example, anything you can find at a store like Target or Walmart or Costco. Those are all goods, right? If I need a grill, I might go to Costco and see, are they selling grills, patio furniture, things of that sort. So goods can be literally anything that I can find at a store. What's the opposite of a good? Could maybe be the store itself, because I don't think stores are on sale, or a boat that transports the good. And also, a really actually better non example would be raw material or natural resources, because those are kind of like, think of it as the unbaked version of the good. So you don't want unbaked goods. You want them to be fully developed. We don't buy our iPhones when they're just batteries or when they're just computer screens. We buy iPhones when they're nice and ready for us to take pictures with. So I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to start part 3 with capitalism. So I'll see you guys in a bit.